We are entering our final weekend here in Hawaii. This is the 8th video of our series, and we're starting today off with a tour on a Glassbottom boat.
Yes, it's kind of a spur of the moment thing we booked a few days ago. It wasn't even on our radar until I saw a brochure and thought, that looks cool.
So yeah, let's go check it out. So yes, looking across at the luau grounds where we had our celebration a couple videos ago. Just waiting to board the boat here in about half an hour or so. Another beautiful day on our island paradise. Work our way across the dock. Having some weird issues with the camera this morning. The zoom function's not working, so I'm just kind of locked at a single focal length. Not sure if it's something I've done or if it's a setting that got changed, but I've never had that problem before. I like to consider this snorkeling for people who don't swim or particularly like water. All right, we made it on.
Oh, there's a one star. Oh, he's cute.
You probably can't see him.
The vantage point of the Thurston place, which way before it was this place, was called the Thurston Estate, named after one of the first missionary families.
But also the islands of Hawai'i are moving, so they move with the crust of the earth, away from the hot spot, allowing the hot spot to create another underwater volcano that turns into another island over time. Now, this is exactly what happened with the 8 Hawaiian islands. So at one point, Kauai, which is our eldest island now, was once right here, where we are. And over the course of a few million years, she moved along her merry way, allowing another island to form, and that island we now call Oahu. So the male parrotfish is bright and blue in color, and then the female parrotfish is usually a reddish-brown color. Some of the coral types we have is what's called lobe coral, mounding coral, which grows in big mounds. That's the main stuff that we're looking at. That's green. We also have cauliflower coral, which is usually a purple color. It looks like the head of a cauliflower. And we also have brain coral, which you can guess what that looks like, right?
Stomachs.
A brain. But it's coming up right here on this side of the boat. You guys might be able to see it on this box. No worries. Wow. You guys, right now, you look down. There it is. There it is. See a little yellowfish? Look at, there's unicorn fish. See those guys with the horns coming out of their head?
Oh yeah, that's unicorn fish.
There's a full brown striped butterfly fish, this little white guy. Here's your unknown. You saw the unicorn fish? Urchins, yeah, they're everywhere. Guys, I know when you look at long Hawaiian words, they're very intimidating when you first look at them, but usually long Hawaiian words are just other smaller Hawaiian words mashed together into one word. So when you say lau wili wili nuku nuku oi oi, you're saying actually 4 words. The first is lau, like the lau, the lau impala. Lau is a leaf. Wili wili is a tree that we have. Nuku nuku refers to its nose, and then oi oi means long. So when you said oi oi,
There
There it is, see it?
Yeah.
With the long nose? Yeah. Oh, he's out there.
Wili nuku nuku oi oi translates this is a unicorn fish.
There he is.
So pretty.
Oh, look at that black and yellow.
yellow one?
White. Oh, yeah. Cool. Oh, look at it. I never saw that fish before.
So guys, with the long-nosed butterfly fish, you're saying the long-nosed fish that looks like a leaf.
Oh, there's a bigger guy there.
That was
There's 2.
usually with older islands, they have a little bit more, but that's also relative. Like if you were to go over to Maui Island is older than this island, so its reef system has been able to grow for longer than ours.
So that was great. We had a very good tour, especially for people like me who don't snorkel or scuba dive or anything. So, and what did you see at the end?
I saw an octopus right in the harbor as we were docking. He was under the boat. It was very cool.
Caused a little bit of a stir with some of the people who weren't on the right side of the boat to see it, so always a good time. So stopping here at our next location, we're doing the Hamakua Macadamia Nut Factory, and I just want to point out how popular this activity is here on the Big Island. Let me show you the parking lot. Yeah, obviously not quite as popular as some of the activities on a degree when it's 89 degrees Fahrenheit and the sun is blaring down, but we're here, we're going to enjoy it nonetheless. Many birds and goats so far. Proof that I'm not lying. Birds in the sun, or in the shade. Goats in the sun.
And we also have some samples back here that we can look
Whoa.
Wow.
1 of the few displays where you're supposed to break it. 300 pounds of pressure to crack a macadamia nut. Factory's not operating right now, but we can look in the windows. Nice little stop there. Great little store. We picked up a few different things, some macadamia nuts and some hot sauce and a few other locally sourced items. So that's always fun. Bring back a little bit of Hawai'i to Canada with us. There we go. Are we recording? Yes. All right. Well, we just finished dinner at the the Fish and Hog restaurant in Waimea. Yeah, I think it takes my personal title as the best barbecue I have had on the west side of the Mississippi. Sorry, stands in Issaquah, Washington. I think you've been knocked off that pedestal for now. But yeah, no, we had a great day today. We did a little, well, we showed you the macadamia nut place, and then we just basically went down to the beach, spent a little time in the ocean, and then went for dinner and wrapped it up.
Today was pretty fun. The Macadamia Nut Visitor Center was extremely interesting, and the rest of the day was kind of freeform, which was great. We did a little walk along an abandoned rail bed, which was cool, and yeah, swam in the ocean. I've got ocean hair now, and oh man, that was a delicious meal. I actually got the fish and chips, and then I shared part of Dan's large barbecue platter, so we got both the fish and the hog, so the full experience. And oh my gosh, the banana crepe pie was amazing too. So pretty fun day. Looking forward to another awesome day tomorrow.
So I think I said at the start of the video that was day 8, but I think it's actually day 9 that we have wrapped up now. We've got one full day tomorrow, and then it's a partial day before we fly home. So still 2 more videos to come in.